So I had a minute to do some watercolor and I thought I would show you how this looks up close. So right away I noticed these watercolor paints are not like the highest quality. They totally work. They have great pigment, but they are a little gritty, you can see. However, they mix up really nicely with water. I love this top because you can use this as a little palette and you can use it to mix colors like I was doing up here. The colors were great. I like how they're very mixable. And like I said, they are a little bit on the gritty side when you're like taking it from the paint, but once you mix it in, it's a really nice smooth paint. So I did this little puppy. It was all looking great until the mouth. So don't judge me on the mouth. It's so bad. Okay, but as far as the paint goes, it was a great quality paint. I will say if you fully saturate the paper and you're just messing around with the colors, it does kind of pull up the paper. The paper gets a little oversaturated and starts peeling up. You can see a little bit here, a little bit there. But ultimately, it's a fantastic set, especially for a beginner or just somebody who wants to dabble in watercolor. I will even say it's wonderful because it did not even go through. My paper was saturated. You can see it's a little bit bent because of the saturation there, but this side looks fantastic. I think it was great. So this is a great little set, highly recommended. It's a cute one.